What's going on, you guys? I forgot to make an intro and an outro for this video, but in this we just installed my quick release hub. Turned out pretty nice. And then afterwards we just went to Canadian Tire and decided to just mess around, see what we could do there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video.
This is not gonna work.
No? Try a smaller Allen key?
No, he said, well, because, see how, like, this one seems almost a bit too small.
Oh.
This one's too big. The fuck?
It's a sick shot, bro. Feck.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's just gonna strip them.
Feck. It's annoying.
Yeah.
That's what I call a bitch.
That one doesn't fit either. These are like some weird ass fucking Allen key bolts. That definitely is a bit too small. Fuck.
You know how it is.
Some different Allen keys.
Came with a new Allen key.
Came in clutch. Okay, let's see if I can get this one out though. Like the super stripped one. Yes.
That's lit.
Plus up. Dude, my dad's got like every fucking tool under the sun.
That's fucking good.
I showed you all of them in the basement, right?
Yeah, you did. It was a crazy collection. That wasn't that bad.
That was pretty good.
Probably the first time in years this thing's been without a steering wheel.
Huh.
Yeah, that's all the horn is. It's just that wire touching ground or something.
Yeah.
And it goes off.
One.
Yeah, So, everything's going well. Slightly. I don't... Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
As of now, it is going well.
I was just like, what?
This is the good shit right there. Turn the fuck up. Fucking...
Yo, should I just...
Good enough.
Should I strip this wire somewhere, maybe? Look at how fucking long that is. And, like, I gotta, like, somehow curl it up.
Do you have an elastic band? It's like on the wheel thing.
I'm on the edge.
Is that...
That's the...
That's metal.
Basket.
How does this crumple?
I don't know.
It's just solid metal.
Oh, I'm an idiot. That just goes over. That doesn't need to be so fucking tucked in. I'm a dumbass.
It's okay, we all are sometimes.
All the time.
All the time, yep. When you're in Rogues, you're retarded.
Maybe I should, like, tape this onto here. Because I also don't think my horn's gonna work. Who needs a horn, though? Horns are fucking
Overrated.
stupid, yeah. What?
Did Evan forget which one's positive and negative?
It's two of the same thing.
Oh, fuck. All of them?
Eh?
Mass confusion erupts.
Eh?
Ah.
There's just two posts. Oh shit. Looks like I'm not gonna have a horn. Who the fuck needs a horn?
Yeah, horns are overrated.
Hashtag race car. Who needs a
Hashtag
horn?
race car, right? That sounds like something Jose would say. Weight reduction, bro.
Should I just fucking tuck that in there and not have a horn?
Yeah,
Who gives a shit?
for now, at least, till you figure it out. She's a beauty.
So he told me that I should use these ones for that, which I'm gonna do. This is gonna put my steering wheel so close to me because it's on a massive crush hub.
Yeah. Look at this shit. It's like an accordion. Or something.
Dude, this thing's going away for winter anyways. It doesn't need a horn.
Yes. Correct.
Just honk a bunch in your garage.
Oh yeah, he's storing it in my garage, most likely. There's a pretty high chance that it will happen, so.
I think you've been jamming.
Yeah, my parents are so lit. Here, let's time to tighten them.
This is literally gonna take a fucking century.
Yep.
I'm just gonna get them. Oh, it is as tight as it can go, finger tight. Fuck me.
It didn't ding.
We'll get the ding.
You gotta get the ding.
I'm
What?
actually fucking triggered. It'll get the ding when the steering wheel goes on. I promise.
Probably.
Last one.
Not sponsored.
Bud. Where'd my steering wheel go?
Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna reconnect the battery and hope the horn isn't fucking wailing. Come outside. This way. Oh my god, the lights are on. What does this fucking do?
Whoa! Evan discovers an MR2 feature.
Like that?
Is that good? Flip it. So good. I'm risking too much being out here with no hands, or no gloves.
That's what's gonna happen.
No wheel zone. Yeah, no hands when it's too cold. What do you got to say, huh?
Where rice is.
Rice right here. Old man, old man, old man. JDM shirt. Hey, do you want to give a teaser as to what color you're probably looking at? Something like that.
Yeah. Or something sort of like this.
I think that's the same. Nope. This looks the same on the phone.
I'm guessing other plastic playing with the saws. Oh my god.
And this X doesn't have a cover on it. Kind of spooky.
What other amazing tools do they have?
Cool dildos.
What will be handy to me?
Drill bits.
Why?
Ooh, how about Allen keys?
Oh my god.
Wire brush. Ah, paper. Perfect. Grinder. That's a app. Don't use that. It's kinky. Gold plated.
Too fancy.
You know that's really good. $50.
I think it's just a gold cover. Yeah.
Gold plated. I promise. Evan, let's see how long this is.
Oh my god.
Shit. Huh? Can't hear you. Did I let go? So I'm thinking about getting this saw for my dad. That's not even a saw, that's a clamp.
Dude, 428 pieces for $90. This is Harbor Freight. Like, this is a Canadian Harbor Freight right here.
Canadian Tire is Harbor Freight.